Take fewer things, take more adventures. How to pack light for business travel. Packing light is a way of life for many business travelers. It not only helps to avoid paying the baggage fees, but it also reduces the stress of waiting at the baggage carousel. This article will provide you with some tips and tricks to help you pack light for your next business trip. Take a backpack. A backpack will allow you to carry everything you need on your back, while it frees up your hands to hold a briefcase or laptop. Moreover, backpacks are easy to find in most international airports and can be packed with clothes or other essentials inside of them. Wear layers. You never know what the weather will be like when you arrive at your destination, so bring an outfit for every situation, dressy or casual, cold or warm. You can always pack your more formal clothing in a suitcase, but you'll always be prepared if you pack 3 or 4 versions of your everyday outfit. Bring a light jacket or sweater. For many business trips, you might not need a heavy coat on top of what is already in your suitcase. It might get warm during the day and cool at night. You never know. You can always bring some extra layers so that you're prepared for any weather conditions. What to pack when you're going on vacation? There are some things that you should never forget when packing for a vacation. A few of these items include a backpack or suitcase large enough to carry everything that you need. Documents such as your passport, boarding pass, and ID card. Travel insurance documents. Money and credit cards. Medication for any health conditions or allergies. A change of clothes and underwear in case your luggage is lost or delayed. The best tips for perfect packing when you're in a rush. When you're in a hurry, it can be difficult to pack your clothes and other necessities in the most efficient way. You might spend hours packing but still end up forgetting important items. That's why we've compiled some of the best tips for perfect packing when you're in a rush. 1. Pack your clothes into the smallest possible space. If you're wearing a dress, try to fold it as many times as possible and put it in your suitcase. Then, put other items of the same color next to each other so they don't get mixed up. 2. Pack clothes that you will definitely wear in the first day or two before bringing anything else for backup. On the first day, you can dress like you usually do and won't have time to take anything off before going home at the end of the day. 3. Bring a separate outfit for every day of your trip so you can change into something comfortable before going to sleep at night. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to make sure you don't miss any new videos.